Meaning of docking station.
Docking station.
Docking station.
Docking station.
Docking station. A docking station is a device used to connect a laptop or tablet computer to various peripherals such as a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and other devices. This allows the user to easily switch between a mobile setup and a desktop setup, without having to constantly plug and unplug multiple cables. Docking stations typically have several ports to accommodate various devices, and they may also provide additional features like charging capabilities or additional storage. Overall, a docking station provides a convenient and efficient way to expand a computer's functionality and versatility.